Hello awesome people, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you on how to update your Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019, such as Word, Excel, Publisher, PowerPoint, Access, and Outlook. Is it necessary to update the Microsoft Office Pro Plus 2019 into latest version build? My answer is yes, it's highly recommended in order to fix bugs or some errors on the current version you are using. In addition, Microsoft may add or modify other features on the said software. But before that, please do click or tap the subscribe button on my channel, hit like and notification bell icon. Thanks, and let's get started. Step number 1. Hover your mouse on the Windows Start icon and then click the icon of Microsoft Word. Step number 2. Hover your mouse down and then click the account, as shown on the video. You can now view a refresh appearance, and you can view the update option, just besides Office updates. Step number 3. Click Update Options and then click Update Now, as shown on the video. A pop-up small window will appear which is checking for updates. Then next close the Microsoft Words window. Wait for few minutes to download updates. Please take note that it requires internet connection. Awesome! Congratulations, you just updated your Microsoft Office Professional Plus. Click Close button to close the small pop-up window that says updates were installed. Bye for now. Please help me to reach 1000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe on my channel for more tutorials on Windows 10 tips and tricks and for more videos. Thank you and God bless.